Welcome to week 16. We have this week and next week left and you are done for the semester. So let's just talk about the assignments. We're going to start off with the discussion this week for Unit 5. We also have assignment 27 and 28, and then exam 5 is going to be over chapter 7 and 8 in your textbook. Students also need to, at this point, be able to explain and know the difference between all your numbering systems. This unit also covers two major categories, filing in alphabetic and numeric, which again, students should, have a good understanding of this because this will be on the test. Also, registers and indexes will be on the exam. So just to prepare yourself, make sure you review PowerPoint number 11 and 12 also. And course unit objective 9.7. Okay, so with this, we are going to this week cover EHR Go. And with the assignments with that, let's go to assignment 27. And this is assign new patient registration. I do feel it's very important for all HIM students, medical assistants, everybody to be able to know the process of a new patient registration. And then also, you're going to check a patient in, you're going to update that patient registration, and then edit it. And then we have a review for exam 5. And then you can look ahead for next week, which we have review for the final, and a health records management final will be taken next week. So if you have any questions at all, make sure you send me an email. Don't forget, we do have one more discussion board yet this week. And any questions, let me know.